Hey guys, welcome back to the Missing Wrenches Garage YouTube channel. So we have our 8M Ford tractor here, the one that we pulled from a junkyard, got running, and drove it off the trailer in the garage. This video we're going to see how far we can get it down to get it ready for its first coat of paint in over 70 years. Now, while I've been at work this week, my papa's been working on this. That's the gas tank that he pulled off of the other parts tractor. He's got it sprayed up and looking pretty good. There's the intake tube off of it, and we ordered him a brand new steering wheel for it. It's my turn to see if I can contribute something to this project he's got going on. I've got my grinder set up to use my face and entire upper body as a dartboard. So let's see how far that I can get it took down before my grinder dies. Oh, and while I'm setting you all up over here, and before I forget, I started working on the F100 last weekend after we got this off the trailer. And that's going to be a longer video than what y'all have normally been getting. So it's going to take me a little bit of time to get that part of that project squared away and taken care of. If you guys would like to help us out on that project, click the link in the description of this video and order yourself a t-shirt. They're on pre-order right now until December 22nd. And the company says we got to sell at least 24 of them before they'll print them. So go down there and snag you guys one up and help us out and help us grow a little bit. We'd really appreciate it. Alright, so now we'll get y'all on time lapse, and I'll check back in with you periodically. Alright, so we got a little bit of it done. The grinder's about to die. I love my Milwaukee's, but I wish they'd make a little stronger battery. But it's getting accomplished what we need it to anyway. I mean, I'm really just knocking, you know, all that old paint and dirt and rust and everything off, just so the new paint will adhere a little better. And guys, this ain't going to be no show quality restoration on this thing, because I mean, it's a tractor. We're going to use it to work with, just the same as the one we are behind me. That was just about a big rust hole waiting to happen. Alrighty, y'all, it's the next day. We zipped the fenders off of the other parts tractor. Those in there, there's nothing wrong with those. But the left side, something fell on it and kind of smashed it down. And these were perfect, so we're just going to use these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the inside of it and stop as much rust as we can. And put some Pour 15, and I have some undercoat that was supposed to be for the Mustang, but I can get some more for that. And see if we can save on these some more. Alright guys, we got that one took down pretty good. Fender's in real good shape. So what we're going to do now is I have some primer. We're going to spray primer on the inside of it and let that set up, and then we'll put the undercoating on it. Alright, now we just let that tack up and cure for a little bit, and then we'll undercoat it. Alright guys, we gave that about 15-20 minutes. It's dry to the touch. We're going to go ahead and undercoat it. This stuff comes out like right now. Man, that looks a lot better. I can't wait to see how the rest of it's going to turn out. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to be able to get into today on this one. I have to go back into the house and get into daddy mode. I've got obligations that I promised to my girls in there. If you like this video, go ahead and do all the algorithm things down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, and hat giveaway. The first 2 people to answer one of these 2 questions correctly wins a hat. So, since we've been putting out N-Series tractor content lately, what is the difference from the 9N, the 2N, and the 8N? What is the one big difference between those 3? Second question, what year did Ford change their F-Series trucks from the F1 to the F100? The first 2 right answers wins a hat. But that's all we got for you right now, guys. Remember to do all those analytics and algorithms things down below, and pick you guys up a t-shirt by clicking on the link in the description. It'd help us out and we'd really appreciate it. And remember, your dreams won't work unless you do. Keep them out of the crusher. God bless y'all, and we love you.